Sorry. Okay. The wind just blew it out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing some jerk chicken. I thought I would film. I actually already started, but then my sister kind of reminded me I should film all of the process so we can get chicken. There's around 16 pieces of chicken in here. So first, actually, look, we're not gonna do a debate. It's important. Wash on the meat before on the use. All right? Yeah, I feel clean. Yes. So I soaked it in salt and lemon water for around 2 hours, and I've rinsed that off. Then I did take the skin off the chicken because I don't eat skin, I don't like it. Cut the chicken up to the bone. It's just so when it's marinating, it actually gets into the chicken better. I also took the fat off, yeah, as best as I could. So right now, there is a tablespoon and a half of salt on here. This is just what I started. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description bar below if you guys want to check it out. I'm gonna try my best to have accurate measurements. I've been cooking chicken for about 10 years, so I haven't, man's old, about 10 years, so I don't really use measurements anymore, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using a tablespoon to help give you guys an accurate guide. Half a tablespoon. How is it half when the pepper was on the chicken as well? I have a tablespoon of black pepper here. Can it include yourself? Yeah, I added a tablespoon of black pepper, cracked black peppercorns. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You could also use freshly crushed garlic, which is about 5 cloves, or you can use it's pre-crushed and it comes preserved in vinegar, I think. You can also use that. So I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. Onion granules, so I'm just going to use again 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use the hot paprika again, another tablespoon. This gives chicken color. So it's looking a little pale until now. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do that. I might actually use 2 tablespoons of this, so 1 tablespoon per side of chicken, I guess. So I'm gonna put it in, toss it, and add some more. A tablespoon of dry thyme. With Caribbean cooking, it's all about layering flavors. So some of you might feel like this is excessive, but it'll be worth it in the end. And it's always good to have your basics down. If you weren't doing jerk chicken, you could actually have stopped at the paprika, and you could have just cooked it and put on any barbecue sauce, curry sauce if that's your bag. Sweet chili sauce would be another good one. It's a good base. You could even just cook it and just add ketchup at the end if that's what you really want to do. I'm now actually going to add some chili powder. I'm gonna add half a tablespoon, so maybe that much. Half a tablespoon of ground ginger. 1.5 tablespoons of allspice. Now, we've done all the dry ingredients, which is cool. We're now moving on to the wet ingredients. I'm going to use ketchup, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and some hot sauce. 2.5. I don't want to add all the sauce now because I'm just marinating it. And then when we come to barbecue it tomorrow, I'll make a separate sauce for basting. I'll show you guys how I do that. 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. This is a regular sweet table barbecue sauce, but I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. And I know you're thinking it's hot sauce, ain't that gonna be a bit hot? Jerk chicken is hot. When I don't like spice, don't put it in there. I'm now going to add the last ingredient, which is sugar. So I just have some light brown sugar here, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. Okay, that's like 2. So now we're gonna have that sit and marinate. I'm gonna cling film it and I'm gonna leave it in the fridge overnight. And the next time you see this chicken, it would have been sitting for around 8 hours. I'm then going to prepare the barbecue and do all that jazz. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to make the glaze sauce that goes on jerk chicken. So I'm actually going to start with tomato ketchup. 5 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 heaped tablespoon of hot pepper sauce. I'm gonna add some parsley because it's Jamaican but we live in England. I feel like adding herbs to everything just makes it gourmet. A tablespoon, or maybe 2 of brown sugar. I want the sauce to caramelize, and also I want to balance out the spice that I've just added in there. I'm just gonna add half a tablespoon of allspice. Then gonna cook it on the stove. So I'm gonna bring it to, I would say a boil, but I'm gonna simmer it for 10 minutes. And especially just to bring everything together. And then the next clip will be of me preparing the barbecue. I read the instructions and basically it said to light one corner. So we're gonna actually just even up, center it. And we're gonna drop the match in just there until this starting paper is lit.
Like the match in the frame.
Wow.
Yeah, light it well low. Low. Sorry.
Okay. The wind just blew it out. I got it! Yeah. Okay guys, so the majority of the coal is white. So I'm actually gonna start placing the chicken. Oh, it's nice and warm. Fries take longer, so I'm gonna put them on first. And by the way, this is the first time that I've done this, guys.
Like I've never done it before. I've never barbecued anything.
So I'm just basting the first half before I decide to turn it over. Okay, so it's been about, what, 3 minutes? So I'm gonna just turn it over. Okay guys, so it's going really well. I've moved all the, this is the cooler side. So I've moved all the thighs underneath this piece of foil, and I'm now going to actually start putting on the legs. So to fit the legs, I'm going to do like top tail, and put it like a jigsaw so it fits good. Okay guys, so I'm just finished barbecuing the chicken. If you can see, like, oh my days, I'm actually quite proud of myself. I basted it. I'm literally just gonna do a last run over with the sauce, like this one. Been so tempted to sneak a little piece, but I've been really good, so I haven't done that. But yeah, I'm about to enjoy this chicken a la Rihanna. Okay guys, so this is how I decided to plate my food. I have some sweet corn. I'm about to put some butter and some black pepper on that. Here is a juicy chicken. I also have some basmati rice and I have a vegetable patty here. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy this food. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below if you have any requests of what you'd like to see me cook. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.